Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. My name is Poonam Mehta, I'm Director Training at Right Directions. So today I'll be discussing about Montana State University, which is located in Billings, Montana, USA. So I'll let you know about what benefits you can get by studying at this university in USA, and even I'll be talking about the course benefits, and I'll give you information about the next intake. So students, let me highlight you about the major points due to which USA should be considered by the international students for higher education. So first, USA is a super economy, and second, USA is a developed country. Well, everyone knows about this. And even second is third is USA is a home to Fortune 1000 companies. And fourth, there is a huge demand for young and skilled manpower at USA, and it has majorly aging population. So now let's talk about Montana State University. As I said, जो Montana State University है, it is in Billings, Montana, even in USA. और ये जो university है, established हुई थी 1927 में, and this is a public university. And जो ये university है, this is basically it is the third largest university in Montana, and this university offers wide range of bachelor's program as well as master programs for the international students. So ये जो university campus है, काफी अच्छा campus है, and it is made in a huge area, that is in 118 acres area. And this university is very near to the airport. जो ये यूनिवर्सिटी है, इट इज जस्ट 10 minutes अवे फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट, काफी क्लोज है. एंड इवन जो इस यूनिवर्सिटी का जो कैंपस है, दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इज प्रोवाइडिंग मल्टी फैसिलिटीज टू द स्टूडेंट्स, इंक्लूडिंग फिटनेस, स्पोर्ट्स, म्यूजिक एंड इवन नेटवर्किंग अराउंड. सो इसमें स्टूडेंट सर्विसेज भी प्रोवाइडेड हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, दैट इंक्लूड्स द एडवाइजिंग, इवन द इंटर्नशिप्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज, and even airport pickup too if student actually wants. Okay, and even जो 86% जो यहाँ की जो faculty है, they have highest degree in their field. तो faculty का जो teaching ratio होता है student और teaching का, that is 14:1. I mean to say 14 students they generally study in one area with one faculty member. तो personalized attention भी students को मिलती है. एंड इवन अगर मैं वहाँ के ग्रेजुएट्स की बात करूँ जो सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स है, सो 86% ऑफ सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स दे आर एंगेज्ड इन सर्विस लर्निंग, इवन इन इंटर्नशिप एंड इवन इन द रिसर्च एरिया एज वेल. ऑलराइट, सो इवन अगर मैं इस यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करूँ, दिस यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफर्स इनक्रेडिबल इंटर्नशिप्स, इवन द रिसर्च एंड द सर्विस लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज. अगर कोई स्पाउस केस के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहता है इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी कंसिडर्ड एंड स्टूडेंट कैन अप्लाई. स्पाउस केस वीजा इसमें है, स्पाउस केस के लिए अगर स्टडी वीजा के लिए जाना है. डुओलिंगो टेस्ट इज ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड, अगर स्टूडेंट ने किया हुआ है दे कैन अप्लाई, आई मीन इन ऑर्डर टू अप्लाई फॉर द ऑफर लेटर. एंड ऑफर लेटर के लिए अगर अप्लाई करना है, ऑब्वियसली यू नीड टू पे एप्लीकेशन फी ऑल्सो. सो एप्लीकेशन फी इज वेरी नॉमिनल, इट्स इकोनॉमिकल, इट्स जस्ट $30. Students, they can conduct real world award winning market research by studying in this university itself, and they get real world experience at a local brokerage firm. And even इसमें अगर मैं बात करूँ फी की, बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल फी स्ट्रक्चर है इस यूनिवर्सिटी में. स्टूडेंट्स कैन अफोर्ड टू स्टडी इन मोन्टाना यूनिवर्सिटी एंड दे हैव ऑप्शंस टू एक्सप्लोर विद 115 academic programs. So now I'll be talking about the admission requirement. See, as I said, this university offers bachelor's as well as master programs. अगर student ने apply करना है bachelor's program के लिए, जो academic requirement है, that is 55% marks for bachelor programs, but they need to have 55% marks in grade 10 as well as in grade 12. And जो IELTS की requirement है, that is overall 5.5, that can be considered, and they still can apply for the ऑफर लेटर. एंड इसमें अगर स्टूडेंट का गैप है, इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड कि 3 to 4 years का गैप है, इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड, बट experience जो है it should be justified and it should be on papers while applying for the visa. And even जो fee structure है for the bachelor programs, it's not so expensive, it's very nominal and it costs around $21,000 and even अब अगर मैं master programs की बात करूँ, the fee structure is $22,000. ज़्यादा difference नहीं है master और bachelor program के fee structure में, but IELTS की requirement overall 6 band is required अगर आप master program के लिए apply करते हो. And जो academic requirement है that is 55%, that is fine. And जो master programs में अगर किसी student ने graduation कर ली है and they have gap of between 6 to 8 years, so that can be considered but relevant and experience and it should be showed on paper. So 7 to 8 years gap can be considered. And in case अगर किसी student की backlog है या आ गई थी और अब clear हो चुकी है, तो in case 10 to 12 backlogs can be considered if you are applying. और so that is better अगर किसी की backlogs हैं तो it can be considered. And so now let's talk about Billings, Montana. जैसे मैंने बताया कि जो Montana State University है Billings में है और जो Billings है it is the largest city in the Montana and जो population है that in that area it is approximately 1,10,000. So Billings जो located है that is situated basically in the northwest of America. So that is very close to Canadian border. So in case अगर student को लगता है कि vacation time है, they can explore Canada also during that time क्योंकि it's near to Canadian border. And even this place have a strong local economy. Like with music venues, even in art galleries, museums, restaurants, and even locally owned coffee shops. So even it serves as a center for agriculture sector, even for finance, trade, tourism, medical care, and even trade care, education system, and energy related industries. So that is good for the students also. And even अगर मैं job opportunities की बात करूँ, job opportunities they are good for students and even educational opportunities भी अच्छी हैं. काफ़ी जो वहाँ की community है, जो Billings की community है, Billings Montana, they are very supportive, people are very friendly, काफ़ी support करते हैं. And जो अगर मैं बात करूँ Fortune Small Business जो है, it has ranked Billings as the best place to invest in business. जैसे आपने कोर्स करा, in case आपको business में invest करना है तो it's good for you. You can start up with that. You can invest in technology companies, even in medical, even in healthcare too. So that students they have good options once they complete their studies. So even as per the Forbes magazine, so Montana, it has been ranked as the best place for business and career. So it is good opportunity for commerce students also, and Montana receives like more than 20 lakh tourists. So that is a tourist industry also. Even tourism अच्छा है तो students अपना tourism से related भी अच्छा course कर सकते हैं. They will have better future prospects in tourism line. So now I'll be talking about the degree and programs offered. So basically जो Montana State University है, it offers 100 plus bachelor programs in wide range of disciplines. So some of the popular disciplines which I would be telling you, like students can go for bachelor degrees in art, even in biology, even in history, business administration, even in chemistry, even communication arts with major in media studies, organizational communication, and criminal justice. So there are a lot of courses related to medical, even early childhood studies का भी है. अगर student कोई arts का है तो they can go for environmental studies, even health से related course करना है, they can go with health administration course. Arts का student है, they can go bachelors with history and ITs, computer से related अगर course करना है तो they can go with information systems, maths education, bachelors in political science. So they can do majors basically bachelors में, even in bachelors in psychology, bachelors in public relations, and even in psychiatric rehabilitation also. So students, they have good options like in bachelors. अगर in case अगर student already graduate है, they can apply even for the master programs. So master programs offered by the Montana State University is like MSc in public relation, MSc in physiotherapy, even MSc in sports management, and even student can do MSc in clinical rehabilitation. So students they have good options, जैसे अगर master programs करने हैं, bachelors करने हैं. So that's all about today's session. So I hope you understood about the Montana State University, and I have provided you all with the necessary information for Montana State University Billings. So अगर आप plan कर रहे हो basically to apply for the same in Montana State University in the USA itself, so you can contact at Right Direction, because इसके लिए आपको अगर apply करना है, spouse case can also be considered. IELTS में 5.5 band की requirement है, तो you can apply for the bachelor's program, and for 6 band आपके master programs के लिए आप कर सकते हो. 3 to 4 years gap, it's nominal, it can be considered. We can still apply for the offer letter, as I said कि जो offer letter की fee है, application fee है, that would be just $30 US, and that is not a big amount, it's the nominal amount, and you can apply with that, and you can get in touch with our experienced team. So right now Right Directions is not charging any consultancy fees. We are providing you assistance, we are helping you in filing, we are helping you in admissions, and we would not be charging right now any consultancy due to COVID. As we can understand, it's tough time for students also, so we don't want to charge, and we would not be charging the consultancy. So you can apply with Right Directions. You can get your enrollment done for the upcoming January intake, क्योंकि अभी जो USA का January intake apply कर सकते हो. So you can, Right Direction is always there to give you the right kind of assistance. So आप हमें email भी कर सकते हो. For more information you can email us at info@rightdirections.co.in. इवन आप हमारी वेबसाइट पर भी लॉग इन कर सकते हो. हमारी जो वेबसाइट है दैट इज www.rightdirectionsoverseas.com, एंड आप हमारे टेक्निकल सपोर्ट नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो. वी हैव आवर टेक्निकल सपोर्ट नंबर दैट इज 9254833333, एंड यू कैन कॉल on our alternate number, that is 7056563636. Even you can visit our nearest branch for the consultancy, for the filing process, for the admission, to apply for the offer letter, even to know more about the details. You can visit our nearest office. And we have also launched during COVID time an e-learning platform. You can take online classes for IELTS, even for PTE, you can go for Self-Pip, and even for Duolingo classes also. So you can get your preparation done with us, as we have expert trainers at Right Directions. So thank you for watching today's live session related to this. So see you soon in my next live session. Till then, be positive and stay healthy, and thank you so much.